Hey everybody, my name is Kai, and I'm going to show you how to give your bedroom a makeover on a budget. Make sure to subscribe to the JCPenney channel for all the tips you need to upgrade the rooms in your space. I always say the best way to save money is to choose carefully how you spend it. I refreshed this whole room for under $400. My first tip, you can often save money by buying items in sets. For instance, if you need to update your bedding, buy one of these 8-piece sets that will save you money and give you the full range of items that you need. This is way less expensive than buying each new item individually. The most important component for a maximum impact bedroom makeover is the bedding. Make sure you have a comforter, some fun pattern sheets, and a decorative pillow or two. You spend a third of your life in bed, so it makes sense to invest here. From there, focus in on adding a handful of statement pieces that won't add clutter. Try a furry blanket to add a pop of texture and variety. Investing in a plant that you love will help you feel at home and even help you breathe better at night. Plus, a good floor plant can last for years and it never goes out of style. If you find that major furniture pieces need replacing, make sure each piece has a dual function and you'll feel like you're getting everything for half price. I like this bench that can double as storage space. How do you save space on a budget? Let me know in the comments. Nothing will make a room feel complete like a well-placed plant or book, and they can double as art too. Go for something that's meaningful or inspiring to you, because you can't put a price on that. Remember, when making over your room, the goal is quality over quantity. You don't have to buy the whole furniture set. You just need to carefully select a few useful items that will upgrade your room without downgrading your bank account. For more tips on how to best use your space, watch the next video.